Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, I'll be teaching you how to use 25 HTML tags as shown below on the screen. First off, let's start with the title. The title element is used to name the name of our web page, e.g. I can name it YouTube. But unfortunately, my browser don't allow it because it's only showing a review page. But if you use it on Chrome or any web browser, you see the name YouTube. The second tag I'm going to show you now is called the link tag. This is used to link any external code, e.g. style casting sheet. To link it, we use the attribute rel to specify the type of style sheet you want to use. Also, this is known as the default style of linking CSS style casting sheet to our HTML page. Then we will use the href attribute, to link our style sheet as style.css. Right now, I don't have my style.css, but for this tutorial, we'll leave it blank. Next off, talk about the head tag. The head tag is the element which we use, basically where we put our link, our title, our metadata, and scripts, and lot of data. To also specify, like, this is not the heading of our page, this is so the introduction to our page on the web browser. Later on, I'll show you how to use the meta tag, but for this tutorial, I'll only be teaching 25 HTML tags. Next up, we have the body tag. This is the body of our web page. Look at this white background is our body, and that is what we're working on anytime you are building an HTML page. Next up, we have our nav section, also called our nav tag. This nav tag is used to specify our navigation part in our web page, e.g. I can write home page and I can preview it on the browser as our nav section. You can see it's at the top part of our home page that specifies that there's a nav section in our home page. The next tag we talk about is the H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6 header tag. All these tags help in optimizing the search engine, and also they have different font size and font weight. Let me show you an example. I'll just write down my name here in all the tags to show you. Done, I'm done. So let's preview it on our page. You can see it starts from the big one, small, 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 without different font size and font weight. Our next tag is the header tag, and this is used to specify our header on the HTML page. E.g., let me write my surname, Alex. Now, obviously that's not my surname. This is used to specify our header, and if you use our CSS, you can also align to the center. Next up, we have our paragraph tag. This is just self-taught, self-explanatory. Hello, my name. So sorry for this. My name is Chimdi. Sorry for the bad writing, but it's just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm writing anything I want to write. Next up, we have our script tag. This is used to link any JavaScript code and function to our HTML code, either internal or external. For external, we use the script attribute to link it, but for internal, we use it in between the tag. Example, let's use our source attribute first, src, then the name dot slash, the name of our JavaScript. Let me say YouTube. You can name it anything, YouTube dot js. But we can use our JavaScript in between the tags like this. Let me create a function. Function say hello. If you want me to teach you JavaScript tutorial, you can just comment down below that you want me to teach you JavaScript tutorial, and I'll create a video like this for you. Console.log. Let's preview it on our page. Okay, I now call the function, so let me call it say hello. Okay, so what's wrong here? Console.log say hello. Console.log hello. Let me check. Okay, I have to remove the script tag here. The source tag, sorry. See, it said hello. If you want me to teach you how to use JavaScript and different functions, just comment down below and I'll do it for you. But please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Next up, we have our section tag. This is used to identify our section on the HTML page. Right now, at the section part, this is used to identify a section. Next up, we have a div tag. This div tag is also called a block tag. This is also called a block tag, yeah. We also have our small tag, and this is used for like description on our web page. E.g., let me show you. See, this is a small tag with small font weight. Next up, we have our canvas tag. This canvas is used to draw on our web page, to edit on our web page, to do different kind of things, because it's a 2D element. If you want me to go more about this canvas tag, just comment down below and I'll teach you how to draw with canvas, how to edit image videos with canvas. To use canvas, you just specify the ID. Give it ID of canvas, width of 100 and height of 400. To continue this tutorial about canvas, comment down below. I'll create a video like this. And also to notice, I'll be dropping videos every day, so make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe, so you can get more videos like this. So next up, we have our image tag. This is used to link images. We use the attribute source to link our image, and also if the image is unavailable, we use the attribute alt, as also called alternate no image. You can name it anything, but now name it no image. So let's preview it. See, the image is not available, so we wrote no image. Next up, we have our input Segm tag. This is used to carry user input. It have different kinds of attributes, e.g., value. You can give the value name, but normally in all web page, you don't give value. They allow the user to input the value. And you can also add the type. We have different kinds of type: email, number, text, and more. But here I'll be using text because it's a name. Then I can make it required, but I won't do it in this video. But I can add a placeholder. That will be the section of our name. Add name, placeholder. So in the section you can see it already has the value, and I don't think you can change the value. Okay, you can change the value. And if you change the value, you see our placeholder add name. I can add my name, CHINDI. But in React, you can't change the value. Don't worry, I'll see teach you React. The next tag we have is the form tag. This is used to fill up form, and we can use our input inside this form to get users input and more. And it also have different attributes like method, and the method consists of post, get, and multimedia part and more. We also have actions and more. But for the footer, this is just the bottom part of our web page. You can see at the last part of our web page. The next one we have is UL. This is also called unordered list. While the next tag is called ordered list. If I put a list inside here, e.g., li 1, li 2, li 3, thr, ordered list. And if I saw it, preview it with numbers for me. But on other lists, it just give me a default design of dots. Period. So let me copy and paste it now on other list. As you can see, it will give me a default design of dots, but other lists it will automatically the number it for us. And the last tag we have is the list tag, which I just previously explained. It's used to list out items in our order list or other list. And also you can use it separately from them. So that is it guys. This is the end of our video for this tutorial. Next tutorial I'll teach you more 30 HTML tags like pre, span, meta, and more. But for now, just stay tuned. I'll be teaching you step by step on how to use HTML. Also, in my next video, I'll drop how to use Canvas with JavaScript, and that is the main thing. You need JavaScript to use Canvas. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.